The hazard analysis and critical control point system has been designed to be implemented in a little more than 12 steps. This video is the fourth of a series that simplifies them into 6 parts. Several experts agree that the hazard analysis is the most important element of HACCP and the most overlooked. Let's explore some details about how it could be improved. The hazard analysis is the first principle of HACCP and is typically divided into 2 tasks: identification and evaluation of hazards. It also includes a third task related to control measures. A hazard analysis can be easily completed using a template. Most forms ask for a justification of the decision. This justification can be a compliance requirement or a respectable publication. However, a good hazard analysis serves as the basis for several management decisions. The author proposes using a few tools to improve the hazard analysis. The hazard spectrum can facilitate the visualization of all possible hazards in groups and subgroups. It can also help to identify hazards that the team was not aware of. The IAFP keys or CDC contributing factors are used to associate microbial hazards with causes in outbreak investigations. They are similar to the pathogen food pairs identified by epidemiologists. The association of pathogens and contributing factors was also originally intended to help improve HACCP because it helps identify the conditions where pathogens are most likely to occur. The work elements are a new concept in the automotive industry derived from the Ishikawa categories of causes used in root cause analysis. Its use in HACCP is reviewed through this series of videos. The failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, has been proposed as a supplement to hazard analysis. One of the features this tool offers is the analysis of the criticality of the failure modes. Analyzing criticality aligns well with evaluating hazards and determining critical control points, or CCPs. However, CCPs are selected using a different logic, as will be reviewed in the next video. A less explored feature of FMEAs is the ability to list the causes. This feature makes FMEAs useful for root cause analysis. Root cause analysis will be reviewed in an upcoming series. Identifying hazards at the various steps is done by matching hazards with steps. The hazard spectrum has the potential to assist with some understanding of the various groups of food safety hazards. The author of this video proposes adjusting the IAFP keys to facilitate hazard analysis. Science-based information can facilitate hazard analysis because it gives a strong fundament to start. To make the hazard analysis easy, hazards can be matched with the work elements at each step using a matrix or table. This should be based on all the information collected by the team. Doing this can help fine-tune the risk evaluation of the hazards because it considers the occurrence of hazards at their causes. Typically, the occurrence of hazards is estimated at the whole step. The last task is to identify control measures for each hazard at each step. This can be eased with a table that can sort the various control points based on hazard, element, or risk. This capability can facilitate the verification and monitoring activities of HACCP. The concept of control measures has been recently reviewed in several countries. The terms preventive controls and operational PRPs or OPRPs are preferred to illustrate an increase in requirements. In Europe, OPRPs have more stringent requirements than PRPs, but their control is less than CCPs. Control measures include the 3 levels of controls. CCPs will be reviewed in the following video. This approach of classifying levels of control facilitates the assignment of more robust controls for the most significant hazards and less control for the insignificant ones. Combining this idea with the work elements can facilitate the improvement of PRPs and the creation of specialized procedures. For more about simplifying PRPs, see the first video of this series. The ranking criteria for assessing risk after controls are implemented can also be easier. This risk assessment criteria can align with standard guidelines. These references were reviewed to prepare this video. Thank you for watching. The author will be happy to collaborate with projects related to these ideas. He can be found on most social media channels with these usernames.